Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jackson.
Hey everyone, it's Conrad.
And for this week, we have, for part one, we have questions one and two. To start off with question one, it says, why is Daphne Major an ideal? And I basically said because Daphne Major is so isolated, it causes the species to not be able to breed very easily and forming new species. And also because of how isolated the island is, you can be able to determine where that change is coming from.
hmm Yeah, from the book, it talks about just, like what Jackson was saying, it's how isolated the island is. And so that isolation allows, the scientists to be able to collect and observe their data easier than they would be if they were had a larger area to cover. And so, yeah, it allows them to make easier measurements.
Perfect. And then for question two, it asks why are Darwin's finches an ideal group of study or of species to study? And basically because um, all the finches are on different islands with similar conditions, and so you have different islands of similar conditions, and yet each island has a different species of finch on there, so it's easier to study a vast majority of species within a confined space.
Yeah. And so, yeah, they're kind of an ideal group to study since mostly on Daphne Major there were the ground finches and the cactus finches, and that's kind of the major study group that they focus on. And within those species, they divide up the finches by size, and each each size of the finches are like have a different scientific name, and so there are a large group of different finches, and so they're able to study them, and that's what makes them so easy to study is they're able to, yeah, you're just able to keep track of them and figure out you know the common ancestry and all that.
Perfect. And those are our two questions.